I don't think he wants it. Give it. Hey, I have an appointment for today. Oh.
Birthday to you.
What are you doing?
Yum, yum.